Hi, my name is Brooke. I'm one of the skin coaches with Skin Authority. I hope you guys are having a great day today. I am so excited to be doing the Bright and Tight facial with you guys. This facial is designed to brighten up the skin tone, give a radiant, gorgeous, and youthful appearance, and I am so excited. You guys are going to literally love this, and the packaging is just, gorgeous. So let's get started. Before the treatment, I already went ahead and took the Brightening Beauty Infusion out of its packaging. I also took the Skin Suit Lip out of its packaging, out of the cute little box. And then I went ahead and took off the seal on the Daily Defense Moisturizer. And I already went ahead and cleansed my face with my favorite cleanser from Skin Authority, which is the Daily Cleanser. You can go ahead and cleanse your face before we get started, but without further ado, let's get into the treatment. So the first step of the treatment is going to be the brightening serum. That's this guy right here. I'm so excited you guys have this in your kit. Not only can you use this for the treatment, but you can also use it daily as well. This is part of our Fear-Free Peel technology. So it's really designed to give you an even, gorgeous, beautiful complexion. It's really designed to fade away sun damage, pigmentation, sunspots, things like that. It also has oligopeptides in there as well to really help with giving that youthful appearance. So I'll show you, it just takes about a couple pumps. I use about 1 pump for my entire face. You can do 1 for your neck and then 1 to 2 for your chest as well. So I just apply this to a dry face. That's very important after cleansing. Make sure your face is dry. And so you'll just go all around like this. Make sure you're getting the entire face. I'm gonna do 1 more for my neck. Get under there and make sure that you're getting all these wonderful brightening and youthful benefits on your entire face, neck, chest. You can even do the tops of your hands as well. I do. It's super, super important. So that's this guy right here. We'll leave that on for a couple seconds. And then after that, we'll go in with the Pro Illuminating Peel, which is this guy right here. This is really gonna be the superstar of the treatment. It's really designed to fade away any pigmentation. It's designed to brighten up the appearance. It's gonna give you a nice, beautiful, radiant glow, which is exactly what we're looking for with this treatment. So just take it out like that. And then you'll take a little bit with your finger or a Q-tip or what have you. Just gonna use the base of my finger there. And then we'll just go like this and apply it directly onto our face. And this is our Fear-Free Leave-On Peel, so you don't have to wash it off or anything like that. And again, it feels like a lotion, but it's really working at those cellular level to really fade away any discoloration. I'm trying to get this all over my face so you guys can see. I'm gonna use a little bit more for my neck. It's also gonna resurface out any dead skin cells. It's gonna brighten up the appearance of the skin, make all your products apply a little bit deeper as well, or penetrate a little bit deeper. And so here you go with that guy. I'm applying the remaining onto my hands as well. Looks like that. Here you go. So you'll leave this on for about a couple minutes and do not rinse off. If you have a little bit more, you can always use this on another day as well. So kind of go like that. And again, this is just gonna help to resurface any of those dead skin cells, brighten up the appearance of the skin, really focus on just illuminating, brightening, and giving your skin that nice radiant complexion that we all are looking for. And then after this, we're gonna go in with the Brightening Beauty Infusion with turmeric and blueberry. So you're gonna open it like this. And you can apply 4 to 6 drops or so, or a little more depending on if you need a little more hydration in your routine. So what we're gonna do is I apply a little bit on my fingertips, and I'm gonna just gently dab it into my skin. And this is really phenomenal because it not only works to hydrate your skin, because it's our lightweight beauty infusion, so it has a little bit of that oil in there, but it's also going to work to brighten up the skin's complexion as well. So it has that turmeric and blueberry, which long-term is really going to focus on fading away any dark spots, any pigmentation, any acne scarring, things like that. So we can apply that. I'm going to apply just a little bit more so that way I can get my neck as well. And again, you can do this. What I also like about this guy is that you can apply it to a beauty blender, and it works great for foundation. So if you're doing your makeup, this is just another thing that you can use outside of the treatment. You can also apply it to your hair as well to give you that nice shine. You can apply it to your cuticles, you can apply it to your hands, you can honestly apply it to your neck and chest if you just want a little bit of a glow when you want to go out. It is a phenomenal product. It is truly one of my favorite products at Skin Authority, and it is, again, a game changer for brightening, illuminating, giving you that radiant complexion. So So then after that, we'll go ahead and apply the Daily Defense Moisturizer, which is this guy right here. And again, I already took off the seal on this guy, so it'll be at the bottom there, but that one's off. So I'll apply about a pea-size amount, so like that, to my entire face. And what's nice about this is that it's your SPF and moisturizer all in one. It's super lightweight, so it's never gonna feel greasy or heavy, but it's gonna deliver all the hydration your skin needs to take on throughout the day. And it's also gonna protect you from broad spectrum, so from UVA and UVB rays, which is super important if we wanna go out, or if it's even a cloudy day, because that can still wreak havoc on our skin as well. You can apply a bit more for your neck, your chest, and then again, the tops of your hands. So I'll just apply a little more there. And what's nice about this guy is that it comes out white, but then once it's massaged in, it becomes completely translucent, which is one of my favorite things about this moisturizer. So perfect, so we're gonna go on to the next step after this guy, and we're going to apply our Skin Suit Lip. So that's this guy right here. I already took it out of its packaging, so you can feel free to do that as well. And then you can apply as much or as little as needed, because a little bit goes a long way with this guy. So you just apply it to your lips. And a little fun tip that I like to do is I like to apply it to my cheeks as well. So you can just kind of put it directly onto your face. And this will protect you from so much. It'll protect you from blue light. So essentially what we're doing now, it'll block up to 99.9% of all pollution particles. It's also gonna work to protect your skin from free radical damage. And so as I put this on my face, I'm just gonna buff it out with my finger. And as you can see, it just gives the nicest no makeup look on your cheeks. It also gives you a nice glowy illumination too, which is one of my favorite things about this product, is that it's so multi-purpose. As you'll find out from all these products, there's so many different uses for them. You can even use it on like your temples too, if you wanted a little more bronzy glow. I think I'm gonna do that just to kind of show you guys. And yeah, a little bit really does go a long way, but I'll show you what this looks like once it's buffed in. It just really works to give your skin that color, but also that nice bronzy look as well. And it's also going to, of course, protect you from all of the harmful environmental aggressors that can definitely wreak havoc on our skin and lead to further signs of aging and all the things that we don't want with our skin. So after that, you're all good to go. That is the end of the treatment. This is going to be the final result. Your skin is going to be nice and glowy and dewy, and oh my god, I am so excited to be doing this with you guys. This is just such a beautiful treatment, and I'm so excited for you to have experienced this. And if you have any questions or want to learn more about any of our products, or you know what products would be perfect for you, you can feel free to contact a skin coach at 760-268-0047 extension 4, and one of us coaches will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.